On today's podcast, we'll continue our tips about the human elements of safety, week 3. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. Safety isn't just a matter of compliance with OSHA guidelines or something that we do when management is watching. It's about ensuring that we all return home in one piece every day. It's a personal responsibility that we all share. Here are some must-dos to keep yourself and your coworkers out of harm's way. Number 1, talk to your boss. Do you have a safety issue? Do you see something that doesn't look quite right? Don't wait. Tell your supervisor ASAP. And as we mentioned last week, make sure if you don't get an answer or if you don't get a resolve to the situation that you do move it up the chain of command, not to go around anyone's back, but because safety is just that important that things need to be addressed. Number 2, be on time. Showing up on time keeps things running smoothly. It's not about the schedule, it's about knowing who's where and what's running when. Number 3, speak up with ideas. How do you make things run safer or run better? We want to hear it. Your brain power could make a huge difference in the safety at your facility. Number 4, walk the walk. Following rules isn't just for rookies. We need to set an example, even the old hands. Remember, the leader's speed determines the pack's pace. Your actions matter. And last but not least, staying informed about new safety trends. Knowing your facility's current safety guidelines isn't enough. Having a CANI attitude, which is a constant and never-ending improvement attitude, and seeking out the evolving nature of safety practices is key to staying safe and contributing to a safer work environment. These tips are a great place to start. However, as we always mention, follow the rules and guidelines of your specific facility. Following the above tips can result in more than safety. Excellent results can also include improved leadership and productivity, and that's something that all facilities are looking to get. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe. Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.